out of control. It's Red Bull.
Good morning, everybody. Okay.
This is upsetting.
Who will? Okay.
That one day I'll find the solution to your crimes. The antidote, per se, to why... Oh.
Who is likely to... Wow, let me read properly, huh? That's what's happening. We all eat... Whoa. Language. Oh. That's desirable. It kind of looks like a strawberry smoothie.
Not even okay.
Oh, it doesn't. It smells awful. What is this called? The like
Most likely to.
almost like to. Okay.
Way to go. Sorry, okay. We're in Chinatown now. Yeah, I know. I'm telling them.
Okay.
Alright.
So start 3 seconds, look at each other, 5 seconds, count.
Alright.
Cool?
Oh, you're not taping it.
No, we are taping it.
My turn. Oh, my glass is over there. 3. Can I click this spoon too? Here you go.
Oh. Don't you put it on my nose. Nope. Hi, my name is Kayla and I live in
St. Leonard.
I live in St. Leonard and I
Just have to remind her where
and I have an ugly dog. She has no teeth and she's a little bit of a
Still rolling.
Start. Oh, spend so many hours earlier. Whew. Let me say that again without a burp hanging out in my neck. Throat.
I wish I was drunk so I couldn't taste this kitchen. You can taste it when you're drunk. Just...
Yes! I did it! I won! I beat you!
Damn it, no, I
Yeah,
screwed up.
okay.
Damn it, I screwed up.
Still recording?
Yep.
What is it?
I realized.
Please stop that this is set. Please stop that this is...
No worries, incessant.
Please, not now. I need to get this in by the...
26th Street. Making your documents perfect. Not recently at all. If you're something, you're a something, you shouldn't be on the words. Words don't work in the mouth. They don't come out because I speak faster than I can actually form the words. So I think faster than I can actually form the words. If you like this video and want to see more bloopers in the future, give me a thumbs up because I really like just holding on to some of the extra funny bits, and I could totally make more videos if you guys enjoy them. I make videos every Wednesday, so tune in for that. Here are the videos you guys saw in this blooper reel. Some of them you can click on, some of them you can't. If you want to see the videos that you can't click on, which are up here, click on my little face right here, and it'll bring you to the page, and you can even subscribe at the same time. Bonus, right? And that's it for today. See ya!